Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
This crochet wrap edging is easy and fast to do. It's a simple border that looks nice along scarves, blankets, bags, and more. This is the front side of the edging, and the back of the edging looks a little bit different than the front, but still very nice. To do this, I'm placing a slip knot on my hook in the edging yarn color of yellow. I'm going to start as if I'm making a single crochet stitch in the corner. But instead of doing the yarn over, I will first wrap the yarn around the crochet hook from the hook part to the handle part. Then I'll make a yarn over and finish the single crochet stitch. And I'll show this again. Insert the hook into the next stitch as if to make a single crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn all the way around the crochet hook. Make a yarn over and finish the single crochet stitch in the regular way. And again, insert the hook into the next stitch and begin the modified single crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, make a yarn over, and finish the single crochet stitch. I'm wrapping my yarn around the crochet hook just once. However, a nice puffy variation is to wrap the yarn around the crochet hook twice, or even 3 times, before finishing the single crochet stitch. That's pretty much it if this edging was used along one side of a hat, skirt, cardigan, and more. If turning the corner, I generally place 3 single crochet stitches in each of the corners. So for this edging pattern, I'll also place 3 modified single crochet stitches in each of the corners. Once I finish the corner, I continue down the next side with the same modified single crochet stitch and wrap edging. Here's what it looks like thus far. Each of the 4 corners will have a rounded effect to them. And that's it. That's how I crochet a wrap edging using a modified single crochet stitch.